Your foot to do a foot sweep properly has to be the equivalent of a Crosby karate hockey stick. Right here. Right here. So put your foot like that. Right? Right on your knee. Right there. And then this has to glide across and around. This has to glide. Just like somebody doing hockey. Has to glide. And again, you know, in judo, one of the things a lot of people don't realize is that it's more than just your eyes. I took the flying team to Japan. And I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of sound in judo. Hold on for a second. Hold on. Bad foot sweep. Bad foot sweep. Good foot sweep. That's what it should sound. You hear something like that in a tournament, boom! Grandori, you know what's coming. You know what's coming, you hear. You know nothing's coming. It doesn't work. Same thing with the falls. I can walk into a dojo and there's great falls, and I can hear everyone falling off each other's tune, people not hitting hard enough. I can tell right there, they need help with their falling. Uni-ash, Sugi-ash. I want to hear these sounds. Listening to the sounds of judo. These are important.